Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shooting plus V3. First, ensure your device is ready by downloading the Shooting plus V3 application from your App Store. This essential first step prepares your smartphone or tablet for seamless integration. Next, power on your compatible game controller and pair it with your mobile device using Bluetooth. This connection is crucial for the app to recognize your input device. Finally, open the Shooting plus V3 app to start configuring your gaming experience. Once your controller is connected, launch your favorite game directly through the Shooting plus V3 application. This integration allows the app to overlay its mapping interface. You will then see a transparent overlay where you can drag and drop virtual buttons onto the game's on-screen controls. For example, place a Virtua button over the jump icon. Next, press the corresponding physical button on your controller to assign it, creating a custom control scheme. Shooting plus V3 offers advanced customization beyond basic mapping. You can create powerful macro sequences, allowing a single button press to execute a series of actions, like a quick combo in a fighting game. Furthermore, fine-tune button sensitivity and response times to gain a competitive edge, ensuring every input is precise. The app also lets you save multiple configuration profiles, so you can switch between optimized setups for various games with just a few taps. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, always keep your controller's firmware updated to the latest version. This often resolves compatibility issues and improves performance. If you encounter any problems, a simple restart of both the Shooting plus V3 app and your game controller can often fix minor glitches. For more persistent issues, the application includes a comprehensive in-app help section, providing solutions to frequently asked questions and common troubleshooting steps to get you back in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.